Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Salesforce developer account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we need to navigate to the Salesforce developer website, which you can find at developersforce.com. Once you have the website open in your browser, find the option that says Get a Developer Edition. This is typically located prominently on the page, as Salesforce encourages developers to sign up and start exploring their platform. Click on that link, and you will be taken to a sign-up form. On this page, you'll need to fill in your first and last name. Then proceed to fill out any additional required information, such as your email address, job, company, and country. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and reflects your current circumstances, as this can help with support and networking in the Salesforce community. After carefully entering your details, scan through the terms and conditions. Once you are satisfied, click on the Sign Me Up button at the bottom of the page. This action submits your information to Salesforce and indicates that you're ready to create your Developer Edition account. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation email from Salesforce. Check your inbox and spam folders to ensure that you receive it. Once activated, you'll have full access to your Salesforce developer account, which you can use to explore and create applications within the Salesforce ecosystem. And that's it. So that is how you can create Salesforce developer account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.